Kiss Me by LiveGlam. Kiss Me by LiveGlam. A subscription box that delivers 3 different lipstick shades to you every month. Now, normally with makeup subscription boxes, as you know, like Birchbox and Co., you get really cool makeup from different brands every month. So usually it's brands you've heard of and maybe some new ones. For this, all the lipstick colors are from this brand called LiveGlam that I've never heard of. Should be interesting. Looks pretty cool. Hopefully it is not shady. Does anybody want no shady lipstick? I can't open this. I see. I see. Alright, so cool, cuter than Cupid, Kiss Me by LiveGlam, and then it has the 3 shades on the back, but I don't want to see because spoilers. Okay, cute pouch. What is in this cute pouch? 3 lipstick colors are in this cute pouch. Alright, hey, the packaging is nice. So 3 lipstick colors that look very similar because they're just different shades of pink. Oh, do you do this on YouTube videos? You do this, right? Is it happening? I don't know. Anyway, 3 lipstick colors, 3 different shades of, well, purple kind of. We have Mi Amor, which is a matte liquid lipstick shade. I'm gonna do this again. You know what? I'm not gonna do that. And then there's Cupid, which is a satin shade. Okay, nice, different like liquid lipstick textures. So then this should be metallic or glossy, right? That's the lid. Kissaholic, which is matte. Never mind. I hope that they're good. They smell like makeup. I'm not gonna swatch it on my arm and show it to you. Actually, I am. Ooh, Mi Amor goes on smooth. So based on putting lipstick on my arm, the texture is pretty nice actually. It is not dry. It is not an instant dry lipstick. The texture is creamy. It's pretty nice for the matte one. But let me try the satin one. And let's put it on my arm and see, because that's what we do with lipstick. We put it on our arm. These colors are okay. They're fine, I guess. Yeah, I don't have a pink. Okay, but fine. They're pretty safe colors, I think. And then, yeah. So the matte ones are like thick, glide on texture, like it's a real lipstick. It is a real lipstick. And then the satin one, I think, is just less pigmented, but it's still creamy. And all of them are not instant dry, so there you go. Mush mush. Okay, I'm gonna try the lipsticks, and I'm sure they'll be nice, but seems pretty boring that you'd give me 3 kind of variations of the same color. I feel there's no red. I don't know. It's Valentine's. It's pink. Whatever. So I'm gonna do 1 more month and then decide if it's worth spending more money on. But thanks for watching.